like I already like started it. So what I did was in my closet I had like this like shelf kind of, and it was made of metal, and it didn't really fit in like my closet and the way that I have it organized now, so I just like decided to take it out. It was sitting under my bed for like months, and I didn't know what to do with it, and it was white and just like kind of like old looking, and yeah, so I wanted to like repurpose it because it was just wasting away under my bed. So what I decided to do was spray paint it black so it like fit like my the aesthetic I want my room to feel like, to be like the vibe of my room. And so yeah, I'm spray painting it this flat black color, and somehow gonna hang it up in my room so it could be like a plant shelf, because I have 3 plants now. One is dying, one is going very well and surviving, and then the other one is like, you know, it's a succulent, it's going slow. But I want to get a lot more, and I want to have like a place to like showcase them all, where it's like they have their own space, because that's what they deserve, their own space, so they can flourish and be happy. I started, you can't really see it, there we go. This is like an old back in quarantine in like March 2020, I wanted to like plant stuff and like have like a garden, and it was going really well, but this, like, you can't see, it was like really shallow, and like the roots weren't growing well, so this like the plants all died, so I had to like transplant them into like bigger pots so they could like flourish. So this is just like sitting here. I should like do something with it, but like whatever. So I'm using this to like prop up my shelf to like spray paint it. So yeah.
Ryan Little.
Another thing is that I have to like figure out a way to like hang it up, because like the way it was like hung up in my closet was like on like wooden like studs on like the perimeter, and you just like laid it on top, and then it was just like structurally sound like that. However, in this case, it's kind of just gonna be like hanging like just like off one of wall, so I don't really know how I'm gonna do that yet. So I think I'm gonna go to like Walmart right now and like a hardware store, and just like see like what I can do. What I'm thinking is like, there's like things that like I forgot, I don't know how it's called, but it's like you like screw it in like this, and it has one coming off like this and another part going like that. I'll show you guys, hold on. Okay, so this is what the thing I'm gonna buy looks like. So let's say this is the wall, right? Like that's my wall. And I'm gonna buy these like thingies that looks like this, right? They come off like the wall like that. Like that. And you like drill them into the wall like this. And you just like lay the shelf like on top of them, like that. This is my outfit for Walmart. Just like a t-shirt and like my shorts and my tote. Yes. I was driving to Walmart and I almost ran out of gas, so now I'm putting gas.
No, I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I find I waste my time the best when I lose control of the remote, staring steady at the channels, giving up on intuition. I'm obsessed with television, it's true. Yeah, you know they're coming.
Ryan Little.
Japan.